Hi, I am Anna. I am telling you flu is a contagious respiratory illness caused by influenza viruses that infect the nose, throat, and sometimes the lungs. It can cause mild to severe illness, and at times, can lead to death. The best way to prevent flu is by getting a flu vaccine each year. To fight the flu, I recommend following these steps. Before I am starting please subscribe my YouTube channel Raza Amaral and please press bell button. So let's starting guys and girls, here's some points. 1. Get vaccinated. The flu vaccine is the best way to prevent the flu. It is recommended to get vaccinated annually. 2. Wash your hands frequently. Regularly washing your hands with soap and water for at least 20 seconds can help prevent the spread of the flu virus. 3. Avoid close contact with sick individuals. If someone around you is sick with the flu, try to maintain a safe distance to minimize the risk of getting infected. 4. Practice good hygiene. Cover your mouth and nose with a tissue or your elbow when coughing or sneezing. Dispose of used tissues properly and wash your hands afterward. 5. Stay home when sick. If you have flu-like symptoms, such as fever, cough, sore throat, body aches, or fatigue, it's important to stay home and rest. This helps prevent spreading the virus to others. 6. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of fluids, such as water, herbal tea, and clear soups, to keep yourself hydrated. 7. Get enough rest. Resting helps your body recover and fight off the flu virus more effectively. 8. Take over-the-counter medications. Over-the-counter medications like pain relievers, decongestants, and cough syrups can help alleviate symptoms. However, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before taking any medication. Thanks for you are watching my channel. Please subscribe my channel Raza Amaral. I am Anna and take care yourself and also care yours near to your surrounding people. Thanks. Once more again, please subscribe my channel Raza Amaral. Thanks, bye. See you again, love you all.